how to integrate a rapid API with Postman API, how to get that result out, and how to use that thing in our websites. Okay, first let me navigate to Rapid API. Okay, Rapid API, Rapid API. Okay, see, Rapid API is a free source of APIs that can give some real time data. Like for example, take Cricbuzz, where you want some scores, right? If you want to render that score directly without any backend support to your front end, we need some API calls, right? That kind of Rapid API we have. Okay, in the Rapid API, we have that kind of things. So navigate to free public APIs for developers. Okay, it will ask for signing. Okay, please sign up. Okay, or you can click on continue as your email ID. Okay, I'm I'm giving access to this one. After that, what you will do here in the search bar, enter. Here I'm going to implement some Cricbuzz. Okay, Cricbuzz API. Like I want some Cricbuzz score card that data I want to take out using API. So I'm going to uh, Cricbuzz Cricket. Okay, here when you navigate to this page, you will get the thing here. See, here we have a URL, and here we have host, or here we have key. That means some authentication. This is the authentication for your account. Okay. Uh, if you ask me, sir, is that the same for every uh, uh, person? No, it might change for every person. So it has some limit features. For example, when you subscribe to this, you will get this thing. See here, 100 requests per day. That's it. Hard limit. Okay, hard limit. That's it. Okay, it won't give one-at-one responses when you hit that response per day. So just remember that it will give you 100 per day only, and also 5 requests per second. That means when we enter get a call, we will get only 5 requests per second. So, okay, I am starting with start free plan. Okay, do it. It won't ask you for any payment. So navigate here. Okay, I told you that we are going to implement what scorecard only. Okay, I'm navigating to scorecard here. You can see the matches. Okay, this is schedules, series, teams, venues, players, news, photos, stats, other things. Okay, if you want to implement a stats of a player, also you can use this kind of APIs. Okay, for now, I'm going to implement what scorecard API. Okay, here can you see this URL, right? This URL is very important where we are going to call. Okay, now uh, to use this URL and this host and key, we need one uh, API calls, right? How we are getting that response? We need to see that, right? So here only you can test. Okay, this is the example response which is given by the thing. Okay, like how what is there in that one. If you see match ID, innings ID, we have some data in it, right? This is the key value. You can assume this as a key value, and this as a value. Okay, key and value which matches our total scores, right? Here task winner, some person, right? Some other team will win the task. We are going to test. Okay, now let us try to test the endpoint, right? Okay, we got some results, right? Yes, we got some results. But when you see this URL, this ID is for which one? For uh, United States, the match between I think the Ireland tour of USA 2021. Okay, this API call is for only this match. This match. Okay, now let us start entering Postman API. Okay, go to Postman. Here, go click on the first link. Here, you need to sign up first. Okay, let me sign up with my account. Okay, I'm just signing up with my Google account. Okay, here. Continue, click on continue. Wait for some time. It will take some loading time. Okay. After that, give your name. Here I'm giving Core as a name. And what is your role? If you take any, okay, you choose any role. Okay, I'm choosing here backend. Have you used before Postman? Yes, I've used, so I don't need have any introduction. That's why I'm using yes. For you, if you click on no, it will show you some introductions. I think so. The interface is like this. Okay, now let us try to call that API. Okay, that API. Okay, first let us take this URL here. Okay, get URL. This is a get URL. You have to remember the request is get. Okay, copy this URL and paste it here. Now, when you send this URL, you won't get anything like 404 unauthorized because when you read these documents, you will get some authentication problem. When you see this one here, you can see right. You need to fix what headers also. Okay, just take this key value post first. Okay, go to headers here in the place of key value, paste this one. In the place of value, keep this RapidAPI.com. Okay, and in the place of same thing. Okay, same thing. We have configured one key and value pair, host value. Now key rapid key. This is different for you. Okay, this is my rapid key. Okay, rapid.api key. This is my API key. You may get different type of API key. Okay, for different user, different types of API keys. Okay, now let me send this thing. Okay, let us see whether we are getting the message or not. You are not subscribed to this API, right? Okay, we subscribed, right? Okay, yes, we have subscribed. We will send it again. Get that API. Okay, just send your URL. You will get the response. You can see this one, right? Okay. Now let us try to take a different match API. Okay, here. Okay, let me take a different match API from here. Okay, what I will do, Cricbuzz.com. Okay, and here I want to import the details of England words India. So what I will do, I will just copy this ID. Okay, ID. And after that, what I will do in the place of this ID, I will replace with the updated ID. Just send this one in the request 200. It's okay. The status is okay. Right? That means we got the response. Right? You can see it right. England and England, and here you can also see the score of that person. Like Salt has scored 26 runs in 29 balls. Right? When you see this one, 26 runs in 29 balls. We got exact data, right? Here, let me implement this thing with our React. You can also take this thing, two things, and this API call in React, and you can also create one application on this one. Okay. See, I have already created that application, like where I will give only ID of the match, so it will generate the scorecard of both innings. Okay, let me show you that one also here, right? Okay, let me give that ID that in India was England. Okay, I'm just clicking on load match. Okay, can you see that, right? Uh, England tour of India. You can see that, right? And India won by 4 wickets. The thing, same thing, which we are getting the data from here only. And also, if you want the scoreboard check, you can check. The Salt scored 26 and 65 and 56. Right? Here also 65, 56. Same dismissal history. Here we have this history, right? Same history we are going to import using what this API call. And you can see the name of the bowlers also. Same data that we are taking from Cricbuzz, right? And also, this is the thing I want to explain to you. So hope you enjoyed like how to take the calls and how to integrate with React app. Okay, if you want different type of match, also you can take. Okay, let me try with another match. Okay, live score match. Okay, let me try how it will give the scoreboard. Okay, if I copy this one, will I get the live score of the match? I think let's see. Okay, yes, we are getting the live score of the matches also, right? England need 96 runs to win, right? Yes, England need. Sorry for the mistake. New Zealand need 96 runs to win, right? After that, we can see the latest scoreboard, who is batting. Like this person, this batsman is not at like they haven't they in the innings, right? He haven't batted. So the people who are currently batting are these people, I think, right? This is a status batting, and the bowlers you can see, and this was a try series, right? Pakistan ODI try series, and New Zealand need 96 runs. When you refresh, again, when you load the match, again, okay, when you try to load the match, okay, I think you will get the refreshment of these runs, okay. You can check with that also. And this is all the thing. Okay, if you like the content, please do subscribe to our channel, Exact Code, and give a like.